Can watch the video.
Mm-hmm.
That's silly.
Right, cuddle with Alex. Aww.
And then cuddling with my baby brother.
Aw, that's so cute.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
He's hiccuping.
Yes, he is.
So cute.
Do you want your arm back? Or is it okay under there?
It's not okay under there.
You want your arm back? Okay, just lift it out. Just pull it. Here you go.
He put his knee up.
Oh, kiss him again. Kiss him again.
That's so cute.
Yeah, can you kiss him one more time? I'm trying to get a picture. No? Oh, I think I got it. This is so nice.